Hey there, fellow dessert lovers. I'm Liz with Simply Delicious Baking. Question here for you to ponder. Do you have a sweet spot or a sweet tooth for strawberry or peach treats and desserts? Get ready. This peach and strawberry cobbler is going to blow your taste buds away. Kaboom! It's also so simple and easy to make. It's great to serve at pretty much any occasion, and it is great for summertime. So without further ado, let's bake some up. But first of all, please like and subscribe, and there is a link to the recipe in the description below. Now, let's bake. Let's start this recipe off by making my favorite part of any cobbler, the crust. Let's start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Let's get a medium to large mixing bowl and add 1 1/4 cups or 2 1/2 sticks of room temperature butter. To that, let's add 1 1/4 cups of sugar and 1 1/2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. Make sure you are using self-rising flour. Let's mix our butter, flour, and sugar with a fork until it's crumbly, and then set this aside. Now it's time for us to mix up our peach and strawberry filling. In this recipe, you can use fresh, frozen, or canned peaches and strawberries. All are delicious. Remember, fresh is best, frozen can be chosen, and canned can be planned. To make our filling, let's add 2 1/2 cups to 3 cups of strawberries to a medium to large mixing bowl. To that, add 2 1/2 to 3 cups of peaches. Then add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix these together well and set aside. Now it's time to bring all this delicious yum together. So let's start off by spraying a 9 by 13 baking dish with baking spray. Now, add that strawberry peachy filling to our baking dish. Make sure it is distributed evenly throughout the pan. Then, let's spoon our crust over the top of the filling and make sure it's also distributed evenly. Let's move our cobbler to our 350-degree oven and bake for 50 minutes to 1 hour or until it's golden brown. Oh my goodness, this smells so amazing, like a sweet symphony of fruity goodness. My taste buds are so fired up and can't wait to get a bite of this. Have mercy, y'all. This is so good. Cheers to this strawberry peachy perfection. This is a heavenly symphony of flavors. I hope you will enjoy this as much as I'm evidently enjoying it right now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below.